Get excited about the 2010 Chevrolet Traverse. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.